Hey guys, what's up? It's Zain. Today I wanted to make a video because one of my friends asked me. I was out with my friend. This is one of my friends from elementary school. And I was out with him, and he knows I'm an attorney now. And he made a comment saying that since you're an attorney, you be getting all the chicks now. And look, yeah, I be getting chicks here and there, I be doing my thing. But what he said was that since I'm an attorney, that helps me get chicks. And look, guys, I'm here to tell you that's not true. That is not true. Okay? Being an attorney or being any professional, I don't care what it is, accountant, fireman, doctor, anything, broker, a banker, whatever. It's not gonna help you get chicks, okay? All of this stuff doesn't help you get chicks. You know what helps you get chicks? Your mindset. Chicks don't care if you're a doctor. They don't care if you're a lawyer. You got chicks these days that are doctors, lawyers, and pharmacists. You know what I'm saying? They could care less if you're a doctor. Hell, why would they care? There's guys that aren't even doctors, that aren't even lawyers, that aren't none of these professionals that still get chicks. What does that tell you? So I told my friend this and he still didn't believe me. He's like, you're going to have an easier time getting chicks because you're a lawyer and all this. We were just goofing off talking about chicks because that's what we do, we talk about chicks. And it was very disappointing to me that he didn't understand what I was trying to get at, And just because you're a doctor, a lawyer, or whatever the hell you are, doesn't really help you get chicks. And if you are getting chicks because of that, you want to test the chicks to make sure you're not getting them just because of that. In fact, you don't want the chicks that are only into you because you're a lawyer, because you're a doctor, because that signals they're not really into you, right? If a chick is only into you because you have that status of a lawyer or a doctor, hell, she's not into you. She's only into your status. She's probably a gold digger. She wants your money. What now? So, I just wanted to throw that out there and let everybody know that just because you have this professional status behind your name, being a lawyer, doctor, or whatever, doesn't really help you get chicks. You know what I'm saying? It might help you get chicks, as in like a better quality chicks might want to date you, but still you got to test those chicks to see if they're into you for you, right? Because you can lose your law license any day. You can get disbarred any day, right? So once you get disbarred, is that chick going to leave you? Are you going to lose your identity as a lawyer once you get disbarred? All right? So, I mean, there's perks to it, but, I think it's almost selfish to say just because you're this, you can get chicks. There's probably many doctors out there that don't get chicks. Many lawyers out there that don't get chicks. You know what I'm saying? They don't get chicks. And they're doctors, they're lawyers. And then there's probably a lot more doctors and lawyers that aren't doctors, lawyers, what have you, getting chicks. So, like I said, just because you're a professional, I think it's stupid to say you're going to get more chicks. You get more chicks, it's going to be easier for you. And if it is easy for you, if you are getting chicks because of that, listen, man, you don't want those chicks, all right? Let me tell you this right now. You don't want those chicks. What you need to do is tell those chicks to fuck off, okay? Tell them to get lost. If they're only into you for if they're only into you for your status, right? You need to tell them to get lost, all right? If they're only digging you for your status, all right? Now, you don't got to be very blunt and say it, What you got to do is to test them. You got to test these chicks to see if they're really into you. If they're not into you, peace. All right? Peace. That's it, man. I just wanted to throw that out there. Just because you're a doctor or a lawyer doesn't really help you get chicks or none of that. Because these days, chicks are doing the same thing you are. Okay? It's almost foolish to even think like that. All right? That's all I wanted to say. Peace, guys. I'm out.